The Department of Health is calling on the government to declare a national public health emergency as HIV cases in the country surged by 500%. In a statement on Tuesday, June 3, the DOH says the number of confirmed HIV cases per day reached 57 from January to March this year. According to the DOH, this figure marks a 500% increase in the number of cases among those aged 15 to 25. The health department reports that a 12-year-old resident from Palawan is the youngest person they recorded as being infected. Health Secretary Ted Herbosa says the country's number of HIV cases is a bigger problem than monkeypox.
Malaking problema po natin hindi monkeypox kundi ang paglaganap ng HIV. Sa datos natin, tayo na ang pinakamataas na new cases dito sa Western Pacific region. Ang nakakatakot lang, napakarami po ang ating new cases sa ating mga kabataan. Pag hindi po natin napigilan ang pagdami ng HIV, aabot tayo sa lampas 400,000 people living with HIV.
In line with this, the health department urges the public to get HIV tests. It points out that HIV tests are given for free and are confidential. To prevent HIV transmission, the agency also recommends combination prevention method. This includes the use of condoms, lubricants, and pre-exposure prophylaxis.